Hey friends, it's Miss Johnson. Let's get started on our math lesson for today. We've been learning this week how to partition shapes into quarters or four equal pieces. So you've worked with circles and squares, and today we're going to partition rectangles into quarters or fourths. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you a few different ways, and we have to ask ourselves, have we created four equal parts? That's how we'll know if we have successfully partitioned our shape into fourths or quarters. First, I'm going to try splitting it right down the line here. I know that I'm in the middle because there's two knobs on this side and two knobs on this side. So I know I'm right in the middle here. And now I'm going to go from the side, from the left side all the way to the right side. Got a straight line there, and I know that I'm halfway down the line because there's only one knob up here and there's only one knob down here, so I'm right in the middle there. Now remember, our question is, have we broken the shape into four equal parts? Let's check. Do each of these four parts look equal or the same? Yes, they do. So this is one way that we can partition a rectangle into fourths or quarters. Now let's try another way. I'm gonna put these away. Now the way that I'm going to try this time, our first step is going to be the same. I'm going to go right from the top, right to the bottom here. Okay, right now I've split my rectangle into halves because I have two equal parts. I want to find another way to partition my rectangle into fourths or quarters. Got to be different than what I did last time. Ooh, I think I'm going to try breaking this little section in half. And now I'm going to break this one into halves. Okay, this looks pretty good, but I've got to remember my question to ask to make sure I got it right. Is this shape broken into four equal parts? Yes, it is. I see each of these parts are equal. They're the same, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. I have partitioned this rectangle into fourths or quarters. Okay, now I'm going to try another way, and I'm going to let you ask the question, have I split it into four equal parts? Okay, I'm going to try something a little bit different. We're going to do some diagonal lines. Okay. All right. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sections here. I've broken my rectangle up into 4 sections. Now you have to ask yourself the question, have I broken it into fourths or quarters? Are they in 4 equal parts? Let me know in your discussions below.